Hi everyone, welcome to your day number 28 of your money manifesting game by Abraham Hicks. I am today depositing 5 million into your account, into your money app, so you can have a look at your 5 million today. What are you going to spend it, save it, tithe it, give it? How are you going to just deal with that amount of money? What are you going to do? For today, I am going to build 2 big pools in both of my amazing properties, one in Sydney, one in London. And I'm also going to invest 1 million into someone else's creative project or business. And I'm going to be available to mentor them, not just the money, but the mentorship. And I am going to choose that person from putting, say, an ad in the paper and saying, investor for someone who would love to start a creative business but doesn't have the funds, and to be able to really help and nurture them to move forward and to create something amazing for themselves, for their families, for their friends, and to watch someone really get on their feet in terms of business and finances as well. So paying it forward. So 1 million for that, and say a couple of million for the pools. So I've still got 2 million, and I'm going to put that into gold and silver again, an investment for the future. I am not a big fan of leaving big piles of money in the bank, because the bank then goes and invests it. So I would rather put it into something that is an investment for me, not for those types of organizations to make money off my back. So that's the aim for me for today. Lots of love. I hope you're going well, getting to the end of this challenge. You are so close, and well done to you for sticking it out and for expanding and moving forward with this and expanding your financial abundance and your financial thoughts and your financial state of being. All right, everyone, let me know how you're going, what you're doing with it, and I will see you tomorrow in day number 29.